Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pristine audio with a closer look at the Tertullus HiFi balanced audio cable. This isn't just any cable. It's engineered for those who demand uncompromising sound quality from their setup, whether for professional recording or an immersive listening experience. Right off the bat, one notices the meticulous construction. The Tertullus cable features a high-purity silver-plated conductor, a choice that isn't just for show. This material, combined with double shielding, is crucial for ensuring maximum signal transfer. What does that mean for the listener? It translates directly into a significant reduction in distortion and signal loss, allowing musical devices to perform exactly as they were designed, delivering every nuance of the sound with remarkable clarity and fidelity. The connectors themselves are a testament to the cable's premium build. Utilizing robust XLR connectors, they boast a copper-plated plug encased in a metal gold-plated shell. This isn't merely about aesthetics. The metal shell provides superior shielding against external interference, a common culprit for unwanted noise in audio signals. These are high-quality 3-pin XLR male to XLR female connectors, ensuring a secure and reliable connection every time, minimizing any potential for signal degradation at the crucial connection points. At its core, the cable employs genuine 5N high-purity, silver-plated audio signal lines. This specific material choice is tailored for high-fidelity audio and music equipment, indicating a clear focus on sonic purity and an uncolored sound reproduction. The craftsmanship extends to the soldering, which uses Senju solders containing 3% silver, further enhancing conductivity and signal integrity at every joint. To top it all off, the external design includes a high-density shock protection network, adding an extra layer of durability and safeguarding the internal components from physical stress, ensuring a long lifespan for the cable. This HiFi balanced XLR cable is incredibly versatile, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Whether one is connecting a stereo microphone, an amplifier, recording equipment, monitor speakers, or audio interfaces, the Tertullus cable promises to elevate the audio experience. The brand emphasizes that each cable undergoes extensive measurements and testing for guaranteed quality before shipment, providing peace of mind that you're investing in a product built to perform consistently. For anyone serious about their sound, the Tertullus HiFi balanced audio cable represents a significant upgrade, ensuring a clean, clear, and uncompromised audio path for all their critical listening and recording needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.